nomenclature of organic compound IUPAC given by IUPAC. What is meant by IUPAC? International Union and Purified Applied Chemistry. That is IUPAC. So this company is giving the fixed name for the some rules to follow to write the organic compounds. Based on that we need to write. First one, long carbon chain has to select. That is the first rule. That is the first rule, which is called as parent chain. Which is called as a parent chain. So next, apart from parent chain, remaining are substituents. And third rule, substituents has to get less numbering. Select a long carbon chain and give the numbering to carbons. Right. Fourth one, less numbering. And if functional groups are double bond or triple bond or substituents are present, they should get less numbering. Less numbering means nothing but which is most first preference to the functional group, after that double bond or triple bond, after that substituent. This is the order we need to give, and write the name based on prefix, means substituent name plus root word plus suffix. These suffix are two types. One is name of functional group. The rules of IUPAC nomenclature. Now we are going to see the examples. What is the formula I given? What is the formula I given? One is substituent plus root word. Root word means nothing but a number of carbons plus suffix. Suffix means here two are there. One is based on in, ein has to come plus functional group name. That we will discuss. For example, number 1, CH3, CH2, 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 CH3. Select a long carbon chain. Only one carbon chain is there, this one. So, for each and every carbon, you need to give the numbering. How many carbons are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 carbons are there. So, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Given the numbering. You need to check, apart from the long chain, this is the parent chain. Apart from parent chain means without a parent chain, is there any extra another groups? No, not there. So there is no substituents, there is no functional groups, isn't it or not? So now directly you can write the name. There is no substituent. So directly you can go for root word. What is root word for 5 carbons? Pent. After that suffix ena, ena, ina, ane, pent, ane. Is there any functional group? No. So this is called as pentane. This is called as pentane. Another one example, CH3, CH2, CH, CH3, CH2, CH2, CH3, CH3. This one. This is the. Now you can select long carbon chain. Here to long carbon chain means no need to be in straight line. It may be with connection, it may be any position. One possibility, second possibility, third possibility is like this. Is it right? Fourth possibility is like this, which is the long chain. Number of carbons, based on number of carbons. Here if you take this one, this order, 1, 2, 3, 4, okay. Based on this order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons. Based on this order, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 carbons. Based on this order, 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is correct? 6 carbons chain is correct. Ma'am, that is not in straight line. So no problem. It is connection or connection is there or not. Link is there or not. So link has to be there. So numbering 2 ways are there here. Here anyway no problem. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. One way. Another one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 ways are there. Apart from the parent chain, is there any another groups? Is there. One is here, one is here. What is the position? If we are going through like this, third position and fourth position. If we are going to through this, third position, fourth position. So not a problem. Both are same only. So whatever you want, you can give. Not a problem. So I am giving from here itself. I hope you understand. Either any way, either this side or this side, we are getting the same numbering. So not a matter. So you can give any side. What is the name of CH3? I already given the name of substituent, name of CH3. What is that name? Methyl group. What is the name of that group? A methyl group. Here one methyl group, here one methyl group. Now what first we need to write? Here substituent is there. Substituent name first we need to write. How many methyl groups are there? 2 methyl group. What is the position? 3, 4. 3 and 4th position. 2 methyl groups we are calling as dimethyl. 2 methyl groups are there. So we need to call as a dimethyl. After that any? No. That's all. 6 carbons. Hex. Ena, ena, ina. Ane. Hexane. That's all. That is the name of this compound. What is the meaning of this one? Hexane. 6 carbons are there, all are single bonds. So 2 methyl groups, dimethyl. 2 methyl groups are there at 3rd and 4th position. Is that correct or not? Right. Another one. Third example. CH3, CH2, CH2, CH, OH, CH3. This is the example. Here, if you observe, 1 minute, CH2, CH3. What is the long chain? What is the long chain? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 or otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, anywhere 5 only. So you can select a long normal chain, no problem. Numbering 2 ways are there. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Which is correct? Which is correct? Apart from the parent chain, here one substituent, this is substituent. What is the name? Methyl. This is a functional group. What is the functional group? Alcohol. Functional group is there. If we are going from here to there, second position substituent getting less numbering, fourth position on alcohol. But from here, second position alcohol, fourth position substituent. Which should get less numbering? Both should get less numbering. But both are getting the equal majority in two ways. Then functional group is more preferable than substituent. I already given that rule. So functional group should get the less numbering. So which is correct? This way is correct. Okay. Now what is the first, what we need to write the name? Substituent. What is the substituent? Methyl group. Which position? Position also you need to write. 4-methyl, pent, root word, pent, ena, any double bond, triple bond, no. Pent, plus ol. Because suffix of functional group I given ol. So this en plus ol, when we are combining, e will get cancelled. So we need to write as a 4-methyl pentanol. Pent en plus ol, e get cancelled when we are, because two are vowels only, no? So they get cancelled. We will get pentanol. This is the name of this compound. And fourth one, CH3, COOH. And fifth one, CH3, CH2, CHO. And sixth one, CH3, CO, CH2, CH3. Right. What else the functional groups are there here? If you observe, this is carboxylic acid, this is aldehyde, this is ketone. You need to search for what is the suffix. You need to search now itself. Right. Give the numbering. This is a long chain only. Here also one carbon is there. 1, 2. 2 carbons are there. Okay. 2 carbons, there is no functional group. You can start from root word. Eth, ane, because here no double bond. So ane plus, what is the COOH suffix? Suffix for COOH, oic acid. Now when you are mixing together, E get cancelled, you will get ethanoic acid. And come to here, numbering 1, 2, 3 or 1, 2, 3. Which is correct? Functional group should get less numbering. So this is correct way. What is the reason? Functional group should get less numbering. What is this functional group? Aldehyde functional group. So here substituent is there. What is this substituent? Chlorine. Chlorine we call as a chloro. At which position? Second position. So 2 chloro, 3 carbons are there, means prop, N plus all, propanol. What is the name? Propanol. By mistake, if you write ol, that should be alcohol functional group. So you should not make a mistake even in spellings also. Propanol. Now come to the sixth one. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons are there. Or otherwise 1, 2, 3, 4. Which is correct? CO, ketone. Ketone functional group. Functional group should get less numbering. So which is correct? First one is correct. Right. Is there any substituent? No substituent. Directly you can write as root word. What is the root word? Bute. Ena, bute, plus plus what is the functional group suffix? On. So what is the name? Butanone. Butanone. This is the functional group. And after that, seventh one, CH3, CH2, CH, NH2, CH3, and NO2 also I am giving. Okay. And eighth one, CH3, CO, NH2, CO, NH2, and ninth one, CH3, CH2, O, CH3, O, CH3, and CH3, CO, O, CH3, O, CH3. Now all functional group we covered. Now numbering 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here nitro group is there, amine group is there, which is, now here you need to use preferable order. I given preferable order from what is that? Carboxylic acid to nitro group. Nitro group is very least preference. So more preferable is amine group. Amine group should get less numbering. So this numbering is wrong. Second position. I hope you understand. So now which is the extra group is there? That is as a substituent. We need to write the name as substituent. Now what is NO2 substituent name? Nitro. This is a nitro. So at which position? Third position. 3 nitro. 3 nitro. Next. Root word. But. Ena, ina, aina. Ena plus amine. What you will get? E get cancel. Butanamine. And here, come to here. Functional group should get less numbering. 1, 2. There is no any another substituents. Amide group. This is what? Amide functional group. You can check it. 2 carbons, no substituent, so 2 carbons are there. For our convenience, why don't we write one more substituent? Bromine. Now which position bromine is there? Second position. So 2 bromo, 2 carbons are there. Ether, N, amide. What did you call? E get cancel. Ethanamide. I hope you understand. Ethanamide. Eth plus N amide. Ethanamide. Now come to here. Here 1, 2, here 1. Which is the long chain? This is long chain. So now the name is, which is the less number of carbons, including that you need to mix with oxygen. Less number of carbon means 1 carbon is there. 1 carbon, what did you call? Meth. Right? Meth plus oxy. Methoxy. Meth plus oxy. Don't get confused. Where is the less number of carbons? With that you need to mix oxygen. Oxy, methoxy, ethane. That is the name. Methoxy, ethane. That is the name. Now come to here. Here 1, 2 more number of carbons. Here less number of carbons. Less number of carbons we need to write as substituent. So methyl. I already given. This is what functional group? Ester functional group. Ester functional group. O8 has to come. Methyl 2 carbons. Ethanoate. Methyl ethanoate. That is next 11 CH3. CH double bond. CH. Now tell me what is the name? 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Which is correct? Double bond should get less numbering. This is the correct. Here if you take second position, here first position. So there is no any other, why no, we can, substituent is chlorine is there. So 3 chloro, 3 carbons are there means propene, propene. And 12th one, CH3, CH, triple bond, CH3, CH2, C, triple bond, CH. Now tell me, numbering obviously from this side because it should get less numbering. What is the name? There is no any another functional group, any other substituents. Butane. Butane. Which position? 1. Here also butane 1. Here also propene 1. Okay. If this double bond is here, if this double bond is in second position, what did you call? Butane 2. But-2-ine. But-2-ine. That is the exact name because at a second position triple bond is there. But-2-ine. At a second position triple bond is there. So that is the name. Next, more functional groups are there. If more functional groups are there in same compound. For example, number 1, CH3, CH2, CH, OH, CH2, CH2, COOH. Now tell me, what are the functional groups? What are the what are the special characteristics are there in this? Here, carboxylic acid, a double bond and alcohol. 3 are there. Double bond means no problem, we can write as ene, that is not a matter. But carboxylic acid and OH, in these two, which we need to take as a functional group, which is more preferable? I given preferential order. So this is take as a functional group, means we need to write as a suffix, and this you need to take as a substituent like as prefix. So that for this functional group I given the prefix also. If you observe, hydroxy will be there. Okay. So based on functional group should get less numbering. The numbering starts from here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Right. Now substituent name has to write first. What is the substituent name? Hydroxy. So 4-hydroxy. 4-hydroxy. 6 carbons. Hexene. Hexene plus oic acid. Plus oic acid. What is the name? 4-hydroxy. E get cancel. 4-hydroxy hexenoic acid. Hexenoic acid. Hexenoic acid. Right. And for example, CH3, CO, CH, NH2, CH1. How many functional groups are there here? If you observe, CO, ketone, NH2, amine, CHO, aldehyde. Which is more preferable in these three? Obviously, aldehyde is more preferable. Aldehyde is more preferable. So, numbering. In these two, you don't need to check. So, 1, 2, 3, 4. Amine as a substituent. Prefix you need to write. What is the prefix I given? Amino. Amino. Ketone. Prefix. What is the prefix for ketone? I given as oxo. Now, what is the amino and oxo? These are the substituent which you need to write first. Based on their which one? Alphabetical order. Amino has come first, oxo after. So 2 amino, 3 oxo, butanol, butane plus all butanol. Directly I have written butanol at first position, so no need to indicate 1. First position means no need to indicate 1. And after that CH3, CH, Cl, CH, Br, CH, NO2, CH3. Now tell me. In these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 carbons are there with chlorine, bromine, nitro. Nitro is least preferable. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. In these, which name you need to write first based on alphabetical order? This is chloro, bromo, nitro. Which will come first? Bromo. 3 bromo, 2 chloro, 4 nitro, pentane. That is the way to write the nomenclature.